Wait, y'all, so Rolly got the surgery so she could be mean? I can't take it. I haven't talked about Baddies in the past couple of weeks because they is definitely really starting to get on my nerves, and the show is just, it's falling off for me. It's getting corny. It's not entertaining and funny ratchet TV anymore. It's starting to become like they digging for straws and digging for storylines and just making up stuff that makes absolutely no sense. The way they are treating that girl Slim and bullying her like that is insane. And the fact that, number one, the girl is 85 pounds soaking wet. The fact that people would stand around, like everybody would just stand around and allow that girl to constantly get jumped on like that when everybody sees that she can't fight. It just says a lot about all of them and about how they feel about each other in real life, because they try to pretend like it's actually a sisterhood and like some of them are cool or they had like real relationships. If Slim and Rolly were actually real friends at one point, it was no reason for her to go that hard. You could have just simply moved on with your life and ignored her and just pretended like she never existed. But I guess she's trying to make Slim feel the hurt that she feels from whatever Slim must have did to her. I don't know, but the bullying and the constant picking on her, and she's literally not even a fighter at all. I guess maybe she just wants a check. I don't know why she would be there, because the way those girls just talked to her and treated her throughout these episodes that she was on, it was just deplorable. I couldn't take it. It was too much. Natalie is setting people up too, and Jayla should have called Natalie out on the fact that she basically had her fighting that girl Summer for no reason, because she didn't even send her home. So if you weren't going to send her home, why are we in a boxing ring fighting? You made it seem like it was a competition to get Jayla involved in some mess. And Biggie can't fight to save her life. She need to stop doing it. But I don't know what y'all think about the last couple episodes, because I just ain't with all the bullying.